I know we wish for a little more sunshine today, but we'll take a day without any severe weather, that's for sure. Tracking some scattered showers across Palm Beach County, and they will continue to linger through this evening. But by tomorrow, we're looking at drying conditions. So we're just about done with the rain, and there is still a slight threat of flooding along the coastal areas through tonight. So never drive through ponded water. Always turn around. Don't drown. That's what we say. But right now, tracking mainly light rain, especially across Delray Beach and the Treasure Coast, looking really nice right now. All right, so we do have that excessive rainfall risk just through this evening for Palm Beach County, the eastern half, and then we'll be done with that by tomorrow as we get some drier air. This was the scene from Delray Beach. Started out with gloomy skies, but then we saw some pops of blue and sunshine there. So nice to see any sun we can get over the past week. And then we saw some showers moving in late day across Delray Beach, and we're continuing to see those spotty showers across the region on our camera lens. I want to show you this from Deborah Harsh. She sent in this picture from Stewart today. Love to see those waves crashing on the rocks. This is right by the House of Refuge in Stewart, and Tom Poitevin took this photo from Lake Worth Beach. Thank you, Tom, for showing us some peaks of blue in the sky today. Current temperatures, some rain-cooled air South County, 77 for Boynton Beach and Boca Raton, but a little bit warmer across other regions. Everybody very uniform in the low range of the 80s. So overnight, our temperatures near the coast drop down to the mid-70s, and inland areas like Okeechobee will be dropping down into the low 70s. So Vipercast shows some spotty activity through the evening, but then pushing offshore. And check this out. Monday, virtually nothing. Tuesday, virtually dry into Wednesday, too. So we really need the break from the rain, and we are going to see it. So we have some dry air working in tomorrow and Tuesday. It'll still be warm, but then that real cold front comes through on Thursday. Unfortunately, this will stall out and will increase our rain chances Friday and into Saturday, but overall some nice weather ahead. So you can see that front means business, dropping our high temperatures down to 80 degrees on Thursday and then back into the low 80s Friday and Saturday. Along with the cold front, this is Thursday afternoon, we're going to see those winds really picking up out of the north and northeast. So expect wind gusts 30 up to 36 miles per hour in Boca Raton on Thursday. Then the winds will stay elevated on Friday, and that will also result in high seas. So good news for the surfers, not for anybody else. Thursday early morning, you can start to see those high seas build across our coastline, and then staying elevated through Saturday. We could see anywhere from 8 to 10 foot seas at the highest times of the surf. So again, good for surfers, but if you're not a swimmer, you do not want to be in that water. Now in the tropics, we still have about 6 weeks to go in hurricane season. There is an area we're watching of low pressure way out in the Atlantic, just a 40% chance of development in this region as it moves west towards the island. So we'll continue to track it for you, but nothing to be too concerned of right this moment. All right, for tonight, we're looking at a temperature of 75 degrees. We see those showers mainly south, not the Treasure Coast. Tomorrow, mostly sunny, a nice day, 86 degrees. Boating conditions will be improving, still a little bumpy, but we're done with a small craft caution. Seas 2 to 3, inland waters, a light chop. Your high tide at 5:39, low tide at 11:51. All right, let's talk about the next 7 days looking much, much better. So warm Monday, Tuesday, our warmest day, 89 degrees, but then Wednesday, 82, and our coolest day. And we had some showers across the Palm Beaches today, but the Treasure Coast stayed mainly dry, and we had our fair share of clouds as well, but some peaks of sunshine helped give us some brighter spots throughout your Sunday. Current temperatures right now fairly mild, a little bit cooler for the Treasure Coast. 73 right now, Fort Pierce, 74 in Vero Beach, 77 degrees Stewart, and across the southeastern Palm Beach County coastline, temperatures in the upper 70s, 72 in Okeechobee, and 74 degrees right now in Indiantown. Well, I do want to show you some pretty photos from today. This is from Deborah Harsh, Stewart, just gorgeous right there. Stewart area sunset. Tom Poitevin taking this from Lake Worth Beach today. And what a sunset tonight from the Juneau Beach area. Ed Mullen, boy, you take the winners, that's for sure. Michael Peetler, thanks for sending this in from Okeechobee, and I believe this is Hank the Heron, and it's good to see Hank made it through those tornadoes just a few days ago. All right, taking a look at Vipercast. We do have some activity offshore. We had a trough today between Florida and the Bahamas, and that's going to turn into a little area of low pressure, but it's moving away from us, and we're seeing drier air already filtering into the region, which means we have hardly anything to show you rain-wise over the next few days, and we could really use that time to dry out. So this nice dry air filters in Monday, Tuesday, but it'll still be warm. The cold front moves through on Thursday, keeping the moisture to our south. It's going to feel really refreshing with high temperatures in the upper 70s for some, lows in the low to mid 60s for some, and just much less humidity. Now, it doesn't last long, of course. That moisture tries to move into southern Florida as we head into early Saturday morning. So we look to stay fairly dry, but the weekend, our moisture and rain chances will go up slightly. All right, your high temperature trend. Notice the big dip in temperatures as we head into Thursday, down to 80 degrees. Our average high for this time of year of 85 degrees, so that will actually be below normal, and I think we are all ready for it. Taking a look at future wind gusts, those winds really picking up behind the front. So Wednesday, breezy to windy, and then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, we're looking at wind gusts upwards of 35, 40 miles per hour, and with debris around from everything we went through the past few days, we really need to watch that situation and make sure everyone has that debris as secure as possible with those wind gusts towards the end of the work week. Now, wave heights will be really increasing to dangerous levels as we head into Friday, Saturday. Good news for the surfers, but if you're not a strong swimmer, you definitely want to stay out of the ocean waters. Now, we are watching just a disturbance, an area of low pressure, a couple hundred miles to the west of the Cape Verde Islands, a 40% chance of development. Here's a look right now at the spaghetti models, and I think the two most plausible solutions at this point would be it would curve north into sea or stay a system that hovers to our south. And right now we're not overly concerned, but we will keep you posted each and every day. Tonight, a stray shower, 75 degrees. And taking a look at your 7-day forecast, you can see temperatures really changing. Still warm, mostly sunny skies Monday, Tuesday, then Wednesday, much cooler.